The first topic is political personalities of Hafizabad since 1985. I have chosen this topic because I belong to Hafizabad and there has been very little work on its history previously. Therefore, I wanted to highlight the political significance of my district and its historical importance. This research work is intended to explain the political personalities of Hafizabad in an analytical and descriptive way. The research also focuses on the history of political families, their various political techniques, and the exercise of the influential political background. This research work also tries to discuss and analyze the struggle, role, and work of different political personalities for the welfare of Hafizabad. The influential political background of political personalities of Hafizabad helped them to secure their place in the parliament. The brotherly system has remained an important driving force in their political discourse. To uphold the consistency in their political attitude, they also tried to be welfare-oriented. However, the element of third-world politics has prevailed in the political arena of Hafizabad. Therefore, the regional politics endured the bipolar culture, dividing the politics of Hafizabad into two poles. On the other hand, the political personalities continuously switch their parties because of vested political interests. The desire to join the ruling party of the state urged the political personalities to be a turncoat. Moreover, the political personalities tried to remain welfare-oriented to enhance their vote bank. However, this tendency has been continuously off and on. The findings that I came to know during my research are the politics of Hafizabad has been particularly family politics and based on brotherly system generally. Another thing that I extracted from my research work is that any newcomer into politics needed blessing and support of any one major political party in the district because the politics of Hafizabad has remained bipolar throughout. The bipolarity resulted into the favor of Hafizabad because both the poles try to remain welfare-oriented to enhance their vote bank, in opposition to the other. Furthermore, during the recent time, there has been an ingredient of consciousness amongst the young blood of district because they have started to realize the power of their vote. The major political personalities of Hafizabad which emerged and influenced the political arena belong to the main political families of the district. Besides these major political families, some other personalities came to try their luck. However, their lead has always been in the hands of existing major political families. Therefore, the political nature of district Hafizabad remained bipolar. It further consolidated the family politics in the region. Thank you.